Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best remote control cars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Growsland remote control car. With a modern, sporty appearance, the Growsland RC car would be a great gift for the car-obsessed boy. This #1 bestseller features functioning headlights that turn on when the car is moving forward, can travel at speeds up to 10 miles an hour, and is simple to operate with the 2-joystick remote control. It's bright yellow with racing black stripes, incredible attention to detail, and is made from non-toxic plastic with a realistic shiny finish. For the affordable price, this RC car for kids holds up really well whenever it crashes into walls, furniture, or things of the like. The only downside is that the remote distance is pretty short at only about 10 or 15 feet before the car stops, due to a lack of a connection. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Power Your Fun Cyclone Mini Remote Control Car. The Power Your Fun Mini RC car is lightweight and small, as to not cause as much trouble in the home, break decor, or scratch walls. Like the previous RC stunt car in this review, number 2, the Power Your Fun Cyclone Mini RC car can maneuver 360 degrees at top RC car speed. It features bright LED lights, a vibrant blue and red build, and has a rechargeable battery that allows the car to run 17 minutes per 15-minute charge. This mini RC car can perform 3 functions from the remote control: forwards and backwards, directional control, and cyclone mode, which makes the car do flips and tricks 360 degrees. It's relatively affordable and high quality for the price, and features rubber tires with excellent traction. You can expect this RC car to travel smoothly over hardwood floors, gravel paths, grass, dirt, and just about anywhere else. At number 3, we have the Kidzlane Remote Control Cars, 2-pack race cars. This 2-pack of Kidzlane RC cars is the perfect fit. It's an inexpensive choice, features all-direction control, and up to a 35-foot range. Though these RC cars aren't as quick as some as the other options on our list, they still maneuver at about 5 miles per hour, and would provide hours of entertainment for children ages 5 and up. Thanks to the different frequencies of each of the cars, there's no interference so that both cars can be used at the same time. Each set of AA batteries gives the cars a playtime of an hour and a half. The remote control consists of 2 push-button pads to make operations simple for younger children, so that they can easily go whatever direction they want. Lastly, this set is made of durable, hard plastic and shock-proof material to protect the internal components from breakage, from ramming into walls or crashing off of sidewalks. At number 2, we have the Girlmazing 116 Jeep Wrangler RC radio control cars. Realistic and a great gift for the summer, this replaceable battery Jeep RC car is perfect for girls of all ages. A great thing about this Jeep is that it easily fits a small or average-sized Barbie doll, making this RC car multi-use in play. The seats also adjust to fit your child's specific doll's measurements. The remote control includes an on/off switch to save battery, and 2 control sticks to move the Jeep forwards, backward, left, and right. A downside to this RC car for girls is that it runs a bit slower when on carpet or thicker terrain such as grass. However, the Jeep is built with decently high-quality materials, so that it will hold up to minor crashes, flips, and general beatings. And finally, at number 1, we have the RASTAR Beetle Remote Control Car. Super cute, pink, and the epitome of a girl's RC car, this little Beetle is officially licensed by Volkswagen and a perfect, tiny replica. Unlike many RC cars for girls on the market, this mini Beetle is made of sturdy, hard plastic materials that can hold up to wall crashes, flips, and other unfortunate events with ease. It's about the size of a man's hand, making it great for use both indoors and outdoors. The remote control has an excellent range of 80 feet and can maneuver the car left, right, forwards, and backward. Its top speed is around 4 miles per hour, so while it's not the fastest RC on our list, it will still zoom. 3 AA batteries are required for the car, and 2 AA batteries are necessary for the remote control itself. The battery life is quite long, and overall, this RC car for girls is very affordable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.